Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. I'm going to show you how to lose weight and boost your body up with these powerful herbs. I'm going to be making a licorice tea. And licorice has a lot of wonderful, powerful benefits. Licorice will take away your appetite. It's going to help you to lose weight like crazy. It's going to deflate and also cleanse your colon. Now, licorice is a source for the female hormone estrogen. It's a very important herb for female issues. Now, licorice works as a stimulant on the adrenal gland. It contains glycosides, which can purge excess fluid from the lungs, the throat, and the body. It is well known for coughs and chest complaints. It's an important herb when recovering from illnesses, for it will supply necessary energy to the system. It works as a laxative and helps in inflammation of the intestinal tract and relieves ulcer conditions. It has stimulating actions to help counteract stress. It contains vitamin E, phosphorus, B complex, biotin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. It also contains lecithin, magnesium, iodine, chromium, and zinc. Now, this is a powerful herb that does so much. And I want to show you the two forms that I have here. You can find this down below in my eBay store. You can either find the 1 ounce pouch, or you can find the 3.52 ounce, 100 grams powder. This is a daily supplement, and it's wonderful in supporting the gastric and oral health. Okay, so it's also good for the bones as well as your teeth. Like I said, you can find this down below in the eBay store. Both forms. What we're going to need for this tea is our licorice root, two cups of water, some ginger, as well as lemon. Okay, now you're also going to need a pot. So let's get our pot on the stove because we're going to boil this. All right, so we're going to add this into our pot. This is also good for now, for those of you who may have that upper respiratory issue going on, where you may have excess mucus in your body and you need to purge it out. This will do it. So you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of your licorice into your pan. Now you're going to take about an inch and a half of your ginger. Okay. And what I like to do is de-skin it, especially with the things that we're going on now. People are touching vegetables and fruits with these nasty gloves. So what I like to do is clean and de-skin my ginger, as well as my other vegetables and herbs and fruits. Next, I'm going to take my ginger and just grate it directly into my pan. Okay, and I'm just going to keep this on a slow simmer. We'll keep this on a slow simmer for at least 10 minutes. And I'll be right back after it's done. Okay, you guys, so our tea is ready. And we're just going to strain this. And this is also good for sore throats. So if you got a sore throat, this will definitely benefit you. Alright, next we're just going to take out lemon juice. Okay. And then we're going to add in a teaspoon of our honey. And that's it, you guys. You got a powerful tea right here. You drink this 2 to 3 times a day. This is what's going to help you to lose that weight. It's going to help to control that belly fat. It's going to reduce belly fat. And it's going to also help to suppress your appetite so you're not eating as much. And there's so many other wonderful benefits of this tea. I will also list it in the video. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below for these wonderful herbs and spices, such as the licorice. Okay? You will find this down below in the eBay store, as well as other herbs and spices for your body. Okay? Also check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare, family challenges, hauls, and more. Alright? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget your auntie and big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.